everyone, I'm Sangeeta and today we are going to learn the use of you in simple present tense in Hindi. So let's start. You means tum in Hindi and ni in Tamil. You, another you for respect, that is aap in Hindi and ningal in Tamil. Okay, so we use this ningal for respect and also in plural form, right? Same as whatever rules in Tamil we use for ningal, same rule for aap too. Okay, so I hope you understand what is aap and what is tum. So simple. Okay, so for you are we have to say tum ho, and for you are in respect we have to say aap hai. So as I have given here, ni irkirai means tum ho, and ningal irkiringal means aap hai. Okay, so this will be used in for giving respect and also in plural form. Okay, so here we have formula. So tum plus verb plus the, thi plus ho. So first for tum, at the end ho will come. Okay, so tum plus verb, when you add the to the verb it goes for male, and when you add thi to the verb it goes for female. Okay, so this we will be used for singular, right? And aap, this will use for plural and also for giving respect. Okay, so aap plus verb plus the, thi, hai. So for aap at the end will come hai. Okay, see here above hai we have to put dot. Okay, so aap plus verb plus the, that means you add the to the verb means it goes for male, and you add thi to the verb means it goes for female. Okay, now next tu. Tu is also like ni, it's used for singular. This tu we use for younger person or those who are dearest to us, nearest to us. For them also will be use this tu. Okay, these both are same like a singular. Okay, here this aap we will use for elders. Okay, and also we will use to give respect. So let's see. Tu plus verb plus ta. Okay, if you add ta to the verb it goes for male, and if you add thi to the verb it goes for female. Okay, so for tu at the end we have to put hai. Okay, for aap also we are putting hai, but what is the difference means we will put here dot, but here there is no dot. Okay, so you understood about this tum, aap and tu. Okay, so now we will go for sentence. Here I have written sentence for only tum. Okay, you dance. तुम नाचते या नाचती हो. मेल, तुम नाचते हो. फीमेल, तुम नाचती हो. So I have given here M, that goes for male, and F goes for female. Okay, here you break. तुम तोड़ते या तोड़ती हो. मेल, तुम तोड़ते हो. फीमेल, तुम तोड़ती हो. You cry. तुम रोते या रोती हो. मेल, तुम रोते हो. फीमेल, तुम रोती हो. यू ड्रिंक. तुम पीते या पीती हो. ओके, मेल, तुम पीते हो. फीमेल, तुम पीती हो. यू लाफ. तुम हंसते या हंसती हो. मेल, तुम हंसते हो. फीमेल, तुम हंसती हो. यू रन. तुम भागते या भागती हो. मेल, तुम भागते हो. फीमेल, तुम भागती हो. So here I am going to use aap, that means you in respect. You shout. आप चिल्लाते या चिल्लाती है. मेल, आप चिल्लाते हैं. फीमेल, आप चिल्लाती है. You write. आप लिखते या लिखती है. मेल, आप लिखते हैं. फीमेल, आप लिखती है. You talk. आप बोलते या बोलती है. मेल, आप बोलते हैं. फीमेल, आप बोलती है. You eat. आप खाते या खाती है. मेल, आप खाते हैं. फीमेल, आप खाती है. यू प्ले, आप खेलते या खेलती है. मेल, आप खेलते हैं. फीमेल, आप खेलती है. यू रोम, आप घूमते या घूमती है. मेल, आप घूमते हैं. फीमेल, आप घूमती है. Okay, so for आप at the end will come he, so always remember. And here for तुम at the end will come ho. So I hope you understand the difference between tum, aap and tu. See, you can also use those sentences and try to form the sentence by using this formula for tu. Okay, so I hope you understand the difference between tum and aap. Okay, so subscribe my channel, learn everything. Okay, so bye bye, see you, tata, see you in the next class. Thank you.